Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
A typical 10,000 milliamp hour power bank is thick, heavy, and awkward, sticking out of your pocket and feeling uncomfortable to carry around. Now look at the newly released Honor Win. It also packs a 10,000 milliamp hour battery, yet it's surprisingly slim and lightweight compared to a traditional power bank. On top of that, it comes with a flagship level processor and even a high-speed cooling fan built inside. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The Honor Win series launch event has just wrapped up, and we managed to get our hands on the phone right away. The new device comes in two main color options, Fast Black and Special Silver, both perfectly aligned with the Honor Win's gaming-focused identity. Unlike many gaming phones that go all in on loud, over-the-top designs, Fast Black feels calm, subtle, and premium, while Special Silver looks tough, refined, and built to last. There's also a blue version officially called Fearless Blue, which gives off an even more relaxed and lightweight vibe. The camera module looks familiar at first glance and is officially named Eye of the Storm. The lower right corner features a subtle smudge-style effect, and the wing logo is engraved there, helping it stand out from competing designs. This is paired with a brushed metal frame that adds a premium touch. The rounded corners at the edges feel comfortable in the hand, and overall, the build quality is very much at a flagship level. And that makes sense because this is positioned as a gaming flagship where core hardware and gaming performance are clearly the top priorities. The Honor Win really does bring a lot of unexpected surprises. The biggest standout feature is easily the battery. For gamers, nothing is more frustrating than running out of power mid-session or realizing that charging speed just can't keep up. When it comes to large batteries and fast charging, most competitors usually have to compromise, but that's not the case here. While other brands are still debating whether 6,000 milliamp hours or 7,000 milliamp hour is enough, the Honor Win goes all the way with a massive 10,000 milliamp hour battery. Yes, you heard that right. 10,000 milliamp hours. Even across the entire smartphone industry, this is extremely rare. The battery content reaches an impressive 15%, while many competitors have only recently crossed the 10% mark. Even more impressive, this huge battery is paired with 100-watt wired fast charging and 80 watts wireless fast charging, completely solving the usual trade-off between battery size and charging speed. In charging tests, starting from 20%, the phone hits 100% in just 55 minutes and reaches a full charge in 78 minutes. On top of that, the Honor Win also supports wireless reverse charging, a feature normally reserved for premium flagships, effectively turning the phone into a true power bank. The second major highlight is the display. This is the first phone in the industry to feature a 185 Hz ultra-high refresh rate. Compared to the more common 120 Hz, which refreshes 120 times per second, the 185 Hz panel delivers noticeably smoother scrolling and more responsive gameplay. In MOBA games, everything feels more fluid, while in FPS titles, aiming and turning are more precise, making the overall viewing and gaming experience far more comfortable. Even better, the Honor Win supports 185 Hz high frame rates in over 20 games across multiple genres, including FPS titles. With this, the newly launched 165 Hz displays from competitors suddenly don't look nearly as impressive. Eye protection has always been a strong point for Honor, and this time they've taken it even further. The Honor Win is the first to feature 5920 Hz PWM dimming, combined with Honor's signature Oasis Eye Protection technology. The result is a screen that's not only incredibly smooth, but also much easier on the eyes during long gaming sessions. Beyond the massive battery and the ultra-high refresh rate screen, the third big highlight is the Honor Wing cooling system. To balance performance and power consumption, Honor has built in the smallest cooling fan in the industry, directing airflow straight to the hottest areas of the motherboard. With a maximum speed of 25,000 RPM, the fan delivers fast heat dissipation while keeping noise levels low. After hearing all this about the cooling fan, you're probably wondering what kind of hardware setup really needs cooling this precise, and Image, now it's time for the real star of the show. At the core, this phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen5 flagship platform, paired with ultra-fast LPDDR5X memory and UFS 4.1 storage, all fine-tuned by Honor's Phantom Engine 3.0. This hardware and software combo delivers exactly what you'd expect from a true flagship. In AnTuTu testing, it posted an impressive score, setting a new benchmark for Android phones and putting its performance right up there with the very best. Let's jump straight into real-world gaming. After half an hour of intense gameplay in a high frame rate mobile title, the average frame rate stayed locked at a smooth 185 FPS. Even more impressive, the hottest spot on the back of the phone only reached 34.8 degrees Celsius. Then moved on to PUBG Mobile for another 30 minutes, where the frame rate held steady at 164 FPS, with the maximum temperature topping out at just 37.6 degrees Celsius. Finally, we pushed things further by cranking all the graphics settings to the max in StarCraft and playing for half an hour. The result was an average of 59 FPS, smooth from start to finish, and the highest temperature I felt was only around 39 degrees Celsius. The cooling performance here is genuinely outstanding. This kind of sustained power means the phone can handle a wide range of demanding mobile games without breaking a sweat. Performance isn't the whole story. The Honor Win also delivers solid camera capabilities, proving it's not just about gaming. The main camera includes a 3-dies telephoto lens, while the front-facing portrait camera is a 50-megapixel shooter that supports up to 100 DeX digital zoom. Sample photos look impressive and hold up well, adding to the phone's versatility. Audio is another strong point. The dual 1216 symmetrical subwoofer speakers create an immersive surround sound experience when watching videos, and in games, details like enemy footsteps come through loud and clear. The sound quality is surprisingly powerful, almost like carrying a small speaker in your hand. In a market where gaming phone specs are starting to feel predictable, the Honor Win takes a different approach. The built-in cooling fan ensures performance doesn't rely purely on temperature limits. The 185 Hz ultra-high refresh rate display really shows its value during gameplay, and the massive 10,000 mAh battery turns gaming sessions from a few quick matches into all-day marathons. This isn't a phone trying to please everyone. It's a device clearly designed with gamers in mind. The arrival of the Honor Win also sends a message to the entire industry. The true value of a gaming phone shouldn't be judged only by benchmark numbers. What really matters is delivering stable, consistent performance across every game and every hour you play. And that's exactly what this phone aims to do.